Hey guys, we received this active dishwasher cleaner tablet for test and try. And this is a 1 year supply in 24 tablets with two tablets in a month. So let me just open up this and show it to you. So these are good to put in the dishwasher so it will clean up or deodorize or clean up any things in the dishwasher. So you have to put in the tablet, take out one and just run the cycle. So this thing is helpful in doing that. So this is the dishwasher and I'm just using one tablet. So it's a compressed tablet as you can see, and you have to put one tablet in the tablet dispenser here and then close and run the cycle. And when the cycle is completed, you can see like the effect here. So looks good and fresh, so you can just use twice in a month and then have blinks.